Hello my friends. Thank you for joining me today for another video. I'm so glad you could be here with me. The last time I showed you a video, I showed you a 1 minute trending bullish market. Today I'd like to show you a 1 minute bearish trending market. Now before we got into this trade, look at all of that beautiful togetherness we had in our moving averages. And by the time price pierced the 50 period moving average, you can see that the rest of your moving averages were in order, making for a beautiful trade to the downside. Let me show you the same trade on the 1 hour time frame. Now this is that exact same price action on the 1 hour time frame. What I want you to note is that if you find yourself in a set of steps, you want to trade in harmony with those steps on a smaller time frame. Also, while I have you here on the 1 hour time frame, I want you to note that I've drawn my trend lines and I'm trying to take trades in harmony with that trend. This is yesterday's resistance and support, and you can see that we've broken through that support nicely. But I'm always looking for the trend line advantage no matter what time frame I'm trading. Now I want you to note a couple of things about this trade. You can see that once price clears, if you find yourself in a pretty good profit immediately, generally you're going to get a pretty good trade. Usually if your trade isn't going to go well, you pretty much know it right away. Now, you'll see where price comes and it will challenge those moving averages. Once you clear that hurdle, go ahead and move your stop loss from above this candle to right above these candles. And then you come down, you challenge that again. Once you clear this hurdle, go ahead and move your stop loss above these candles and let price ride down until you find yourself in a situation where price looks like it's going to reverse and it starts to flatten out. Once price starts to flatten out, go ahead and protect your profits and wait for the next trade setup. The market is going to give you trades set up many times a day, so there'll always be another one. Now another thing I want to point out to you quickly is this trade. Look at the mess the moving averages are in, and you can see it did not yield as much of a profit as our other trade did. Now, if you find yourself in a trade like this, this is a scalper's trade. Go ahead and ride this down until you get a valid reversal and enough distance from your moving averages. Snatch your profit and get out of there. If your moving averages are in a mess, then you cannot ride that profit all day. Guys, you can absolutely do this. You can absolutely be successful at Forex. Have a terrific trading week.